Most people work harder each year, but their wealth never really changes. That's because a salary, no matter how high, has limits. It's active income, not scalable income. Active income stops when you stop working. Leveraged income keeps flowing from assets, systems, and people working for you. Even when salaries grow, taxes and inflation eat away the gains. So you earn more, but feel the same. Investors break free from that cycle by shifting focus from hours to assets. They don't sell time. They own things that work while they rest. Leverage can be anything. Real estate tenants paying down your mortgage, a luxury watch rising in value, or private capital earning interest while you sleep. You don't need to quit your job. You just need to redirect your income. Turn earned money into invested money. At Perpetual Investment Group, we help investors transform income into ownership, building real wealth through real estate, luxury assets, and private capital opportunities. You'll never get rich renting your time. You get rich owning your time and your assets. Subscribe for weekly lessons that make money simple, practical, and powerful. Because wealth isn't rushed, it's refined.